This is a kit of SMA to TNC radio frequency coax adapters. The nice thing about this kit is it has all 4 possible permutations of male and female at both ends. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it'd cost you about $9 to buy the set. So what you get here is these 2 guys are SMA with a male, and one of them is TNC male and one of them is TNC female. And then over here with the little plastic covers, you get 2 SMA female connectors, and you have both types here. You have a TNC male and a TNC female. So basically whatever device to cable you're trying to do, if it's SMA to TNC, you're going to be able to do it with this set. So for example, this radio here has an SMA male, and so we would need one of these SMA females to connect to it. So for example, this guy here, screws on to make that connection. This here is going to be a TNC female. So just checking out the TNC side of things. That screws on and connects just great. So here I have a TNC female, and that TNC male screws on just great. So this antenna here is an SMA female, so we would use the SMA male side. Just like that.